Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, how much did you earn today in intraday trading? Answer by Vaibhav Modi. Well, there's no limit for that. It depends completely on your capabilities and potential to earn. If I say you are investing only 20,000 and take 10% of the return on daily basis, you can make good return on it. If you make a profit of only 2,000 daily per trade with this trick, there are 22 trading sessions in a month on normal basis, so with one trade per day you have a potential to generate 4,400 per month. Now, first month you invested 20,000, you were making profit of 10% per day, that is 2,000 you made, let's say 40,000 in first month. Your investment after 1 month becomes 60,000 3 times in a month. And we repeat the above calculation, so it's like 6K, as you will increase quantity of your trade to 3 times by now. The same strategy with 3 times of quantity. So it will be like 6K per day, and in 22 days, 1.2 lakh approximately. So, earning in this market is incrementally increasing. Best strategy is to save on your brokerage first, because your brokerage charges eat up your profit amount and increase loss amount a lot. Let's say you make a profit of 2,000 but your brokerage is 500 for that trade. What? You made 1,500 only, and if you make a loss of 2,000 and brokerage is constant, so your loss is of 2,500 and people make more loss by themselves than profits. So saving on brokerage is a must, as that is a constant expense or loss that cannot be escaped. If you have a good brokerage plan, you have win half of the battle already. I have an account with Intraday. If you want, you can open with them, just simply dropping your details and click on call back. They'll call you and guide you. Open an online trading and demat account with Intraday and enjoy the lowest brokerage. Trade in intraday only, as day trading or intraday trading is simple. Actually talking about it, it's better over positional trading because return on investment is good. Approx 10% of your investment. Risk is low if you are going put. Stop loss. Best part, your funds are not getting blocked, not time consuming. As you don't have a burden of your position what market will be tomorrow. You don't need higher investment, as you get leverage over margin or limit over investment in demat. Learn technical analysis, and to learn technically trading you need to know basics of candlestick patterns. You can prefer for learning candlestick patterns. And if you like, this channel is my favorite, as they have 2 minutes videos that shows how to interpret candlestick and explain by applying on Nifty chart. https://com/channel/UCOs. If you trade small, even you can earn that much in these. Follow buy above high and sell below low strategy in these. Score for 1,000/2,000/ only, and exit. Make sure you are using stop loss and target. I can acknowledge you on a basic working pattern which you can try if it helps. There are 5 golden principles of trading. Always do your research. Stick to your research no matter it's right or wrong. Never ever trade without target and stop loss. Never ever change your target and stop loss. If required, decrease the two, rather increasing from the initial levels. This market is in existence for years and it will be opening tomorrow, so we are in no hurry. Answer by Vishal Desai. I earn about in 3,000/ day, sometimes less profits. My capital is less. I invest long term, and I also do intraday with some money. I find it intraday is lot more better than long-term investments. Read the following tips and you will know why. Basics of intraday trading and some tips. The basic thing of intraday trading is you buy a stock and sell it between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. same day. Suppose there is a stock for a company called Reliance Power worth 40 rupees. Then you have to buy the stock anytime between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and also sell it within the same period of time. The trick here is you have to buy the stock at lowest price and sell it at highest price. Take example of Reliance Power. When the trading starts at 9 a.m. and price of one stock is 40 rupees, then between 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. the price will fluctuate. Price could go down like Rs 39.40/ or 38 rupees and 24 paise or 37 rupees and 32 paise, and so on. Similarly, price can go up also Rs 40.75/ or 41 rupees or 42 rupees, etc. Now you have to buy the stock at lowest price, say 37 rupees and 32 paise, and sell it at a profit of 1% or 2%, which could be Rs 39/ or Rs 40/ or 41 rupees, etc. So you make a profit of Rs 3.50/ on one stock. If you bought 10 such stocks, then 10 by 3.50 equals 35 rupee profit in one day. If you bought 100, then 100 by 3.5 equals 350 profit per day. If you bought 1000, then 1000 by 3.5 equals Rs 3500 slash profit in a day. However, if you sell below the price you bought, then you can make a loss. So the trick of the day trading is buying the stock at low price at the right time of the day and selling it with maximum percentage profit same day in few hours or even few minutes. You can make the profits only when the market is going up, but can you make money in share market if you predict that market is going down? Yes, indeed. You can also make money when you know the prices of the shares are falling down. There is a concept short selling in share market that allows you to sell the shares without owning it. In such situation, you can sell the shares first, and when the price of the stock drops, you can buy that stock in order to book the profit. Developing a trader's psychology. After you are done with opening a trading account, it is time to develop a trader's psychology. If you are serious about making money from stock markets, then you have to know everything about the markets. First thing is to start hanging out with friends who are traders. If you live in Mumbai, then it would be easy for you. Developing psychology is important because you are going to invest money in coming days, attend seminars, conferences, etc. Meet people who trade daily. Like traders who trade daily with 10 rupees lakhs or even 1 rupee crore. Meet them and ask about trading strategies. Stock/share market investing, Lit BSE/NSE, India stock market recommendations and tips, life stock markets, Sensex/Nifty, commodity market, investment portfolio, financial news, mutual funds. The best way to start. It is most likely that you live outside Mumbai and it is really difficult to find other traders. Then in that case you could go to a website called moneycontrol.com where you get all the information about different stocks. Check out prices for both NSE, Nifty, and BSE, Sensex. Then visit top companies sector-wise like IT, bank, infra, pharma, energy, auto, FMCG, PSU, etc. Keep note of all the top companies and their prices for each in an Excel spreadsheet. You can also find out more about a company like their board member, stockholders, management and related news. Dig deep into every detail at this website. Know more about companies and history, how the stock price performed over the period of 6 months. Everything is given at Money Control website. Do listening to analysts and experts on CNBC, NDTV Profit or other networks help? If you can't hang out with other traders or have no interest in going to stock/share market investing, Lit BSE/NSE, India stock market recommendations and tips, like stock markets, Sensex/Nifty, commodity market, investment portfolio, financial news, mutual funds and finding details, then you can at least listen to some of the news channels like CNBC, NDTV Profit, ZEOAZ, ET, Bloomberg UTV, etc. All of these channels are dedicated only to stock markets and other business news. They could be the best way starting to develop a trading psychology. As you listen to daily news about stock prices of different companies, you will start getting an idea. So these were few ways to develop a trading psychology as a beginner. It is very important to have a well-developed psychology before you really start trading. However, as a word of caution, when you start day trading, don't take these analysts or experts seriously for their words. Don't make decisions like buying a stock and selling it by going through what analysts are mouthing on these channels. Study the basics of intraday trading and tips and theory. Before you take a plunge into day trading, you need to study basic theory of day trading. You can go online and there are various websites that teaches everything about day trading, like analyzing candlestick charts. You also get to know various terminologies that are used in day trading like selling, shorting, stop loss, open, close, bull, bear, support, resistance, moving average, breakout, entry, exit, different kinds of chart patterns, graphs, etc. So study all of these things and then enter the market. You can find all the material on the internet. You can also watch videos on how they trade daily. Clear your basics, then enter the market. Charts and technical analysis. To put it simply, day trading is all about analyzing charts and technical details. I can't explain all the things in just one paragraph, but I can give you basic details. If you want to make money with share markets, then you got to learn everything about technical charts. Japanese candlestick charts are the best. You have to buy stocks or enter the moment when graphs start moving up, and when it has reached up to 2 to 3%, you sell it and exit the market. Day trading is all about making a judgment call. The right moment in the day when you buy the stock and sell the stock. The time gap between buying and selling a stock could be few hours or even minutes. Like you bought at 11 a.m. and sold at 11:10 a.m. Therefore keep reading charts on daily basis and do research like when it is the right time to enter and exit the market. Analyzing how markets are performing on daily basis. Well, in theory it looks simple, however to make profits on daily basis you need to analyze markets daily. People make losses and they quit day trading. Day trading is not like gambling. Here you have to read the sentiment of the market. Is market bullish, going up or bearish, going down? You need to make a decision. You can start with analyzing CNX 100 or even Bank Nifty on money. Control. You cannot make a call when to buy and sell a stock unless you know where market is going. If in a given day market is going up, then there is a chance to buy a stock and sell it for at least 2% in profit. You can only make the right decision when you have analyzed the markets completely, otherwise you may lose money. Take 2 to 3 months of time before you start trading. Making money from stock markets is not at all gambling. There is method to madness in stock markets. Do not expect that in just 1 week you are going to make consistent profit. First you have to know how market behaves each day from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. You will make profit only when you have entered and exited the market at right time. Only then you will make profits, otherwise you start losing money every day. Hence take your time, start with money. Control website and CNBC, study the stocks of different companies, do some research, learn every chart pattern, doji, Harami, etc. Invest 3 to 4 months before you take a plunge. Just start with RS 5000/. After investing 3 to 4 months you can start day trading for real. You can start with just RS 4000/ to RS 5000/. You don't have to risk too much as a beginner. You can buy a stock of a company like 40 to 50 shares each worth 80 rupees to RS 100/. Or you can buy 80 to 100 shares of worth 40 rupees to 50 rupees each. Your budget should be less than RS 5000/. As you learn you increase the amount. How do you choose stocks? Well, there are over 1500 plus companies listed on NSE. So how do you pick few stocks for day trading? If you're a beginner then you can't look into every stock. So I suggest you to start with Bank Nifty because it fluctuates less, hence more stable. You can easily get 1% of profit daily if you follow it carefully. Initially you need to look out for indices, watch how they are performing and choose a stock. You can also listen to advice given on these TV channels. When is the right time to buy and sell stocks in a given day? Again, this is the million-dollar question as we discussed above. Intraday or day trading is all about the right time you enter the market and exit it. You can learn this art only by experience and following the market daily. You need to follow the markets on daily basis, analyze every chart patterns, learn about every news, and then you start your day. You enter or buy at a point when a stock begins to start moving up and sell it as soon as it has reached 2% of the purchase price. What profit margin should you expect? 1%, 2% or 3%? Initially you shouldn't expect more than 1%. If you are new to stock market then you can't expect profit for more than 1%. It is because you have to look out for the right time when a stock is moving up and at its peak. Before it starts sliding down, you sell the stock, and the difference wouldn't be more than 1% to 1.5%. However, with experience you watch more stocks, hence your opportunity increases, so margin could go up to 2% to 3%. How to mitigate risks? Stock markets could be risky and you must know how to reduce your risk. Although there is stop loss, but you have to know more than that. Always curb your greed. When you see stock moving up, buy it and sell it as soon as you get 2% of profit. Don't wait wondering it might go up 3% or 4%, that is greed. Go by the book. Moreover, don't put your eggs in one basket. It means for same amount buy different stocks of different companies rather buying just one. Why going with stocks and not commodities? You should go after stocks, not commodities like gold, silver, oil, etc. The reason is there is more trading opportunity with stocks rather commodities. Commodities are for lazy people because here you have to watch only 1 or 2 stocks. It could be risky and trading opportunity is also very little. Quit intraday trading if it is not working. Finally, I would say if you are going nowhere with day trading then you can quit. There is nothing to lose because you invested only RS 5000/ to RS 10,000/, that's it. If you are not following the markets and analyzing it then it is not for you. It is not a gamble. You need to find patterns, and that is done only by following the markets and doing some research daily. If you can't, Then quit, but don't take it as gambling. Choose one of your broker and trading platform. I don't think this would be any problem because you can get your broker in any part of the country you live in. Usually there are two ways. If you have a bank account, then you can ask your bank to also open a demat account so that you can also trade with that account and money will be added or subtracted into your account. Or you could go for an online discount broker like Zeroda. If you are looking to trade in stocks markets and looking for some guidance, you can get in touch with one of the advisor. He is best advisor as I am working with him since 2 months and the results are pretty good. Shubham Shah 9,820,912,463. Get in touch. Answer by Minesh Lokanve. Today is Friday 4th May and it's good day for me after a long time. Reason is simple that I was continuously making losses in intraday because of some or other reasons. I was not able to make profit in intraday because of some poor advisories who gave me wrong trades and I lost. Before a few days I read an answer of Mr. Vijay Sachdev, whom I am following from last 4 months because his answers are giving good knowledge on Quora, and he recommended to go for Equitix because he posted his statements and I was impressed with the results. I started with their paper trade service in which I paid for one trade last week and booked 12,300 profit on first trade, and I got some confidence. After that again I took same package which gave me 11,700 profit. After that I took their Coral profit service before 2 days and they started trading, in which I kept 2.5 lakh capital. They assigned a dedicated relationship manager for me whose name is Heron, and I got a message today that they booked some 24,000 profit in intraday. Their team is really supportive and provide us proper guidance. Not hungry for money. I'm really happy with the result and sent message to Vijay also saying thanks for recommending them. I am happy because I hardly got good profit in intraday. I was booking losses only because of poor advisory services, but now I think I found good advisor who not even provide good services but also trading concept is different from others. I was really frustrated with SMS kind of concept, which was waste of money only. I logged into my Zeroda account and took snapshot to post. I'm really optimistic about their service after watching today's result, and I wish to go for long term with them. So as per above question, I earned 24,000 profit today, which is sufficient for me and I'm happy with that. Edit 1. Their website address is www.equitix. And they are SEBI registered company. Vijay Sachdev just recommended me to go there and I got best results with Equitix.